What's up, guys? I've made it to Hefei, Anhui province, and the NIO factory and the NIO house here. It's Sunday today, so I don't know, they're not doing much, not much activity out here. But I'm gonna go check out the NIO house. Yeah. This part right here in the middle looks a little bit like the design of the Norway one. If you watch the Norway launch event, it's like the fjord, this big grand staircase in the middle with the high sides. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but every NIO house is supposed to have a green wall. They don't all have the NIO logo, but they're all supposed to have like a living green wall. A book about Anhui province, and this is, I think, Huizhou, Anhui the Huizhou, really cool old town.
是我们的车主吗？
对的。
啊，好的。后面是我们的用户的活动中心，有更多的像用户活动，包括像亲子的一些互动的一些活动都在这里举行。然后这边是我们的 NIO Cafe，OK， 楼上是图书馆，我可以带您参观一下。
OK， 好。Kiwi。好喝吗？好喝。好的。I'm almost out of battery, but I'm gonna try to make this quick. NIO House, Hefei. The signature drink for the city is kiwi cucumber green tea. Okay, there's a nice slice of cucumber in there. They tell you all you gotta do is stir it and then drink it directly. So no drinking the cream on top, none of that stuff going on. I just gotta get this before my battery dies, let you know how it tastes. Okay, so I'm stirring it enough this time. Nobody can tell me I'm not stirring enough. There's chunks of kiwi in there, you can see maybe. Okay, here we go. Very, very strong. Whoa, very strong, very strong flavor of cucumber. It's very slightly sweet. It's quite good. Very refreshing. It's very hot here in Hefei. It's probably somewhere close to 40 degrees outside. It's a really good, refreshing cucumber beverage on a hot day. Now, I'm not a huge fan of cucumbers, but I do like kiwi. The fruit's not overbearing. It's a very pleasant drink, and I'll give it a 4 out of 5, simply because I'm not a huge fan of cucumber. But if I was, it'd probably be a 5 out of 5 drink. It's good, and it tastes the same all the way through, unlike some of the other drinks that kind of change as you drink them. Not too bad. So 4 out of 5, and then I'll go take a walk around before my camera dies. So